If you have ever thought about commission in affiliate marketing or affiliate program money earned, then you should now look closely. I will now show you a way how in under an hour you can run a highly professional price comparison platform. This is also with more than 100 partner programs already linked with, and you can earn immediately. Amazon has long gone the cheapest supplier for all products. There are many other online shops. They are also very good and nobody has an overview. Now you can help visitors to get an overview and to obtain a reasonable price. Here you can see a completely automatically generated platform that provides a hand vacuum cleaner. And as you can see, almost not hear the results. There are currently many products in it, and the great thing is all affiliate programs here for the hand vacuum. You would probably already know if you are engaged in affiliate marketing, you have to apply individually for each affiliate program and go through the application process and then enter data freely in hopes that you will be admitted and can then apply. Should any of the affiliates discontinue service, then you must remove the link and update everything again. This will completely remove this platform. It applies to any product that you can buy on the internet. You can see here that the domains are even in the Google index. Google accepts price comparison. Here we have a normal price comparison for Mindteeth, so products with a low price. The ones that incidentally can still take when one sold. Products with a high price are also nice. We will therefore now even a double cup of view, simply for the reason that I would like to show you that here quite different affiliate programs, for example Haushaus, Garden and Möbel.de. So affiliate programs and normal affiliate marketing entrepreneurs do not think of that if there even would apply. He is only allowed in a rule when he runs a content-based website too. Prices comparison sites are as different, and now we are at the point where I can tell you it is very interesting to look at these, because these sites are generated individually. When they visit the page they have a different structure in each page, and thus they always have a unique content and very high keyword density. Another point which is really interesting, for these we now take a new example, the self-stick. Here you will find even more affiliate programs than with the hand vacuum cleaner. Here you would have to apply again everywhere if you want to market this product. But now we come to another point. If they decide to start here for free, then you have just one language here as German. You can also start with multiple languages, as with the United States. The United States has a very different affiliate here. You will soon see if the page is loaded. They are all completely different affiliate programs. This means that the normal affiliate marketing entrepreneur is completely sidelined. He would have to apply to 20 partner programs here again. The same applies also in France. So you can have one for each country now. They could, if they wish, within an hour, and up to 11 different countries and languages are active and as an affiliate marketing entrepreneur action. The whole system is built really awesome. You can use it with your own logo, with its own branding and a private domain name sign. You get instant activation, up to 70% commission on all categories and commission on banner advertising. If you want to allow banner advertising to advertise yourself or other partners, there are several countries to choose from. They build their own client base. I have not shown you. Each of these products has a price alert. You can be informed when the product has reached your target price. All products that you will have listed here will be entered here, for they are the owner of the site. Therefore, I invite you now, come and join our team and let yourself work of us. We support the maximum in all matters, whether it is technology terms in a domain, registration, or just the whole positioning. All is needed in order to be successful. Come now and join our team. Sign up now with us.